A lot of you guys messaged me and commented on my past video saying that I didn't give a chance to that product. Here is the reason why I did not want to waste my time and your time with the Isavera. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, welcome to the channel. I hope you're enjoying the content. If you are an OG subscriber, thank you for coming back. If you are just passing by, I hope you consider subscribing and ring the bell button. You will be notified every time I post. Follow me on Instagram as well. If you don't know me, I am a professional reviewer for e-commerce. They send me products to my house, I test them, and I post online in their platforms reviews of their products. That's what I do. I don't make money out of it, but I get a lot of stuff. Today is the day we are going to test another fat freezing system. If you guys haven't watched my other video for fat freezing system, go ahead and watch it. A lot of you guys messaged me and commented on my past video saying that I didn't give a chance to that product. Here is the reason why I did not want to waste my time and your time with the Isavera. It was not doing what I wanted to do. Hi, is editing me. I don't think I was super clear on the explanation of the original video, but for the Isavera, the belt on your body will not hold the temperature required to achieve cell apoptosis, but I got results because I was working out. So the false results that you can attribute to the belt are nothing more but results from working out and dieting. And that's what gave me the illusion that I was losing some size. I would not recommend it, and I did not want to give it more light of day to the item. It's not worth the money, and it was way too expensive. Up to you if you want to try it, go for it. So let's test a new item. It was also almost $100. It was $99.95. This guy right here. So let's open it. First in this box here, I have instructions, a 6 weeks exercise program, glycerin pads. I wonder how many are in here. Cord, caliper. We have the machine, a nutrition guide. It does not come with measuring tape. Since we last seen each other, I ate a lot, so don't judge me. Right, 36.5. I gained a little bit since I last saw you guys. I'm on average. I am going to take this stuff with me and I'm gonna use it for 7 days. We're gonna talk about the results. We're gonna talk about if it works, if it doesn't work. If I like it, if we should keep using it and testing it for longer. See you guys in a week. Let's talk about it. It's day 1. Let's set it up. There's little packages with the glycerin pads. I hope there's enough for 7 days here. The machine stopped by itself. I must say that at first I was a little nervous. I thought that it was getting too cold. The little paper is completely dry. I thought it was going to be a lot wetter. I don't know. I have mixed feelings for now, but it's only the first day, and I'll see you guys tomorrow for day 2. You're gonna be on YouTube.
No, you're not.
day 7. I want to test it without the little liner. Hey guys, I forgot to bring a body measuring tape and I got this guy right here. We're going to measure the results from the 7 days using the fat freezing system as intended. So using it with the little moist pad. And then after that, I'm going to put the machine on again with no moist pad so I can see how cold it really gets. Don't try this at home if you got the machine. Please, I am doing it for you guys, but I by no shape or form am telling you guys to do it, and I don't know if it's safe, so just don't do what I'm about to do. So let's go measure up now. Let's see if I got any results. So that's a 36. I lost about a ½ inch. I was not dieting and I actually been at work, so I haven't been going to the gym like I was when I did the other fat freezing system. That's very telling how exercising and dieting give a little bit of a hand to these systems. Is in no shape or form replace exercising and dieting. Now I'm going to put the system on without the moist protection. Do not do this at home. I just want to do that because I kind of think that this is not getting as cold as necessary to make the fat cells actually die, and we'll talk about it after I test out that hypothesis. Another thing that to consider if you wanted to use the system, you are stuck with a wire. You can't go super far. This is as far as I can go. It has been like maybe 5 to 10 minutes. I feel cool. I do feel the uncomfortable cold on my skin. Let's do a quick recap here. I used this for 7 days. How it's supposed to be used, using this little moist wipes. Now I did one more try without the moist wipes, and I still have skin. Nothing happened. I had no burns, nothing. It was just like as if I used the moist wipes. Let's talk about my opinion on this product. This product is very easy to use, however, it's very limiting. Because it's electric, you are confined to the distance that the wire lets you go to. If you are doing 1 hour every day, you will be having to not move anywhere, and you're just gonna have to wait until the machine stops. A positive thing on the other hand is comparing to the other fat freezing system that I used. If you guys saw the video, I had an issue with tightening up that belt because of the way that the belt worked, and with this guy we don't have that same issue because you can just pull it in and make it as tight as you need it to be. This thing right here, I used 1 wipe a day. Clearly I might have maybe 1 or 2 wipes here, probably give you about 10 wipes. Because of this, I decided to do without the wipes and see what would happen, and clearly nothing happened. Everything is okay with my skin. These guys right here for this product is definitely a gimmick. If you go to a place with a professional machine, you will notice that their membrane is really soaked on some sort of solution, very wet, and it's not the case here. They are very lightly moist. So my final judgment on this as a reviewer is that this thing does not work. You're gonna put it in the comments below. You didn't use it for the 3 months that it told you to use. I want to address that. And that goes for both the very first video I did and this video. Hi, it's editing me again. It seems like I am unable to express myself in front of the camera. I think that none of these 2 items that I have tested so far are effective. Both of them, in my opinion, have the same issue. They are unable to either produce or hold the low temperature necessary to achieve cell apoptosis, which is cell death. Let's start with the Isovera. The Isovera has two main issues. One is it will start losing its temperature as soon as it gets off the freezer and as soon as it touches my skin, because my body will keep competing to keep its temperature. So it's no surprise here that 3 bags of gel will lose that battle, obviously. Now let's go for the fat freezing system I tested out in this video. The very first and most apparent issue I encountered with it was the fact that metal plate was not getting cold enough, and that's why I tested without that wiping. That metal plate was competing with my body heat, and that's why most of those professional machines have the suction cup, because it pulls out that one section of the body out of the core so it can keep the temperature more efficiently. The second issue that I found with this system, remember that I was talking about those wipes a lot? Well, the reason why they're so moist and they are used on the professional machines is because that gel maintains that low temperature in that targeted area. And in the case of this system, clearly those wipes are not moist enough to maintain any temperature. Every time I took off, those wipes were completely dry. And if you do it every day, like the companies are telling you to do, you're helping them with their gimmick. If you want to pursue a at-home system, I would, at this point from this video, I would tell you that the item from the first video will not work. This item will not work. They have the same flaw. It's right on your stomach. So what I'm going to do with this is I am not going to keep using it because I can already tell and foresee what's going to do and why it's not gonna work. When I get back home, I will turn this on and I will check the temperature that this guy is reaching. So keep an eye on my Instagram in a couple of months because I won't be home until the summer. I will post on Instagram an update. You will see that it will be on the highlights. So even if you forget now, you will be there. I already have my eye on my next machine. However, I need a favor from you guys. I intend to test as many machines as I can afford because those are not gifted to me. And if you work with a company that has a fat freezing system and you want me to test it, just go down below in my description box, get my email address, let me know if you would like me to test your item. And for my viewers who would like me to keep on going and testing these machines, I do want you guys to subscribe to my channel, like this video, post some comments down below, get my content moving so I can get monetized, and then I will be able to afford more machines. So I need your help on this one. If you guys want me to keep going with this series of fat freezing at home, I would love to have you here. Just support the channel. I will still have another video coming up as soon as I get back home in the summer. Stay tuned for that one. This is it for me, guys. Let me know down in the comments below, what did you think about this machine and review? If you haven't subscribed yet, please do subscribe because that will help me a lot. Ring that bell button so you can get notified every time I post. Like the video. And the faster I get monetized, the more machines I can test for you guys. Thank you so much for watching. I hope to see you guys in the next upload. Stay home, stay safe, wash your hands. See you guys in the next one. Environmental conditions for it, yada yada yada, health. Right, this paper is telling you to exercise. Like, but I want to know what these products do. Like, what? How many times can I use this? I don't know. I don't know. I don't know. Sorry for the mess behind me. I'm in a hotel. It's a mess. It's all a mess. I'm sorry. Fats out there. What you're doing is you perpetuating Isovera, Isovera. Oh my god. Whew, I forget things. I would tell you that